Hello everyone, welcome to my cooking vlogs. This is my recipe for today. This is sauteed potatoes together with green beans, mushrooms, red paprika, with carrots and meatballs. First you have to prepare the pan, put oil and saute the garlic and onions in the hot oil. Then after that you have to fry these meatballs together with the onions and garlic. Then because this meatballs is already cooked, so just stir it for a while, for some few minutes, and then after add the potatoes. This is a sliced potatoes, and after you stir fry the potatoes, you add the green beans, then later add the carrots and the mushrooms. Then you have to season it with garlic powder, black pepper, paprika powder, MAGGIE cubes, and a little bit of the salt. It depends on your taste. And you have to mix it, and then I add here some celery to add the flavor. So just stir it and cover it for some few minutes in order to cook the potatoes well and the rest of the vegetables. And now this is already the ready to serve mixed vegetables, potatoes, green beans, bell pepper, carrots, mushrooms, and the meatballs. So this is a very easy how to cook, and this is a very yummy and healthy food. And now this is ready to be served. You can cook this one within 10 minutes. So just slice the potatoes very thin so that it will cook very quickly. I did not add the soy sauce. It's just like that. Only the seasoning is a black pepper powder, paprika powder, garlic powder, MAGGIE powder, and a little bit of salt, and a little bit, drops of vinegar, so that it will add the flavor and the taste. So guys, thank you for watching. So please give a thumbs up and share this video to your friends and family. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, Rob Tells Us Vlogs, so that you will be updated with all my new videos. So don't forget also to watch my DIY project, my live tutorial on how to create different DIY projects. And of course, don't forget to watch my travel vlogs exploring Germany and Switzerland. So to all of you, my viewers and subscribers, from the bottom of my heart, thank you for supporting my channel. I hope you will continue to support my channel, and I'll do the same to you. Stay safe, stay healthy, and God bless everyone. Maraming salamat, daghang salamat, Eparastopoli, Vilindang, बहुत shukriya, shukran, grazie, and whatever. Thank you so much for all your support to my channel, Raptel Vlogs. So bon appetit! This meatballs, it is ready to serve, but I just slice this one and mix it together with these vegetables. The name of this chicken meatballs is frikadelle or frikadellen. This is a German food, frikadellen or chicken meatballs. So this is how I prepare my vegetables with the meatballs, and this is very easy and very quick cooking. And I add here one red chili, just a decoration, and I did not slice it because it's spicy, so it's better to keep it like that.